area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Right? And area of equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle is equal to a square root 3 by 4. Right? फिर area of isosceles triangle b root 4a square minus b square upon 4. Right? और area of scalene triangle is equal to s bracket s minus a into s minus b into s minus c root over, where s is equal to semi perimeter, that is p by 2, where p is perimeter of triangle, that is a plus b plus c. Right? This is the area of triangle we have. अब this is now. What is your question? Come to the last.
In the figure 1 given below, ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side.
क्या? Question number
21. First part.
Yeah.
In a figure given below, ABC is an equilateral triangle.
A, B, C
with
triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Now
with each side of length 10 centimeter in angle.
So each side of 10 centimeter, right?
In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle D is 90 degree.
In same figure?
Yes, sir.
BCD is where?
mine from like this.
Like this. Okay. So BCD. Okay, this is B. This is of 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is of 10 centimeter, and this is of 5 centimeter.
Then
In equilateral triangle, in equilateral lateral triangle, line from vertex, median. In equilateral triangle ABDC. Oh, BDC. BD is median. BD is median which bisect opposite side opposite side AC. So AD is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Fine. Yes. Right?
yes, sir.
Where
Angle and CD is equal to 6
this is of 60 centimeter. This is of 60 centimeter. This is of 60 centimeter.
Angle D 90 degree.
It is 30 degree. It is of 90 degree. Now what?
CD is equal to 6 centimeter.
CD 6 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
This is an equilateral triangle, na?
Yes, sir.
So
So angle D is equal to 90 degree and CD is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the area of shaded region. Give your answer to one decimal place.
show me the figure. It's not median. अगर ये मीडियन है, सपोज अगर ये मीडियन है, देन एरिया ट्राइंगल so not you tell the things earlier, man. When I make a whole system, then you said this. Okay. So area, इसका पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से अगर हम निकालेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 10 का स्क्वायर 100% आएगा ही नहीं. 10 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 6 स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर. So 100 minus 36 is equal to BD square. No, it's 5. It becomes 25. BD square, so 75 is equal to BD square. Right? So ये कितना हो गया? It's 25 into 3 is equal to BD square. BD square. So taking root over both sides. So BD is equal to 5 root 3. This is 5 root 3. Right. So area triangle BDC is equal to 1/2 into 5 root 3 into 5. It becomes 25 root 3 by 2. 25 root 3 by 2. This is the area triangle BDC, right? Area of this triangle is 25 root 3 by 2. I made a different question. Right now, area triangle ABC, area triangle ABC, S is equal to 3 into 10 by 2 becomes 15, becomes 15, right? ये कितना हो गया 5, it becomes 15. So area equilateral triangle है ये. Equilateral triangle है ना, sorry. Area triangle ABC is area equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle is equal to 1 by a square root 3 by 4. So ये हो गया 10 square root 3 by 4. It becomes 100. Hundred root 3 by 4. It becomes 25. So it becomes 25 root 3 centimeter square. Right? So now what? Area shaded region. Area shaded region is equal to area triangle ABC minus area triangle BDC, right? So area triangle ABC is 25 root 3 minus area triangle BDC is 25 root 3 by 2. So this is how much? 2 bracket 50 root 3 minus 25 root 3. So it becomes 25 root 3 by 2. This is the area of shaded region. That is 25 root 3 by 2. Right? ठीक है. ये तो ये हुआ This is that solution which I created the problem, but it is totally different in your solution. So this we called unshaded shaded region. This is the shaded region, right? And its area is also 25 root 3 by 2 centimeter square, right? This is we have. Now the change. What is the question given in your book that is different? As per your book, question is like this. There is a triangle, equilateral triangle ABC. A, B, C. Triangle ABC is equilateral, right? Each side of 10 centimeter, right? Now this is of 10 centimeter, this is of 10 centimeter, this is of 60 degree, this is of 60 degree, this is of 60 degree, right? You draw a line. There is a line AD. Oh, sorry. We take it B, C, and this is A. So we draw a line BD like this, right? This is of 90 degree. This D. So CD is given you 6 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is 10 ka square is equal to BD square plus CD square. So we can write 10 square minus 6 square is equal to BD square. So it becomes 100 minus 36 becomes 64 is equal to BD square. So this is right. So we get BD square, right? So BD square is, so BD is equal to 8 centimeter, right? So area triangle BDC is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base is 6, height is 8. This height is 8 centimeter. Here it we find. So this is 424 centimeter square, right? Now अब area equilateral triangle is equal to a square root 3 upon 4. So it becomes 100 upon root 3 upon 4. It becomes 25. So it is 25 root 3 centimeter square. So it is how much? 25 into 1.732. It is how much? भाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन देखना है, रुको अभी नहीं आया, अभी ना आंसर आया। अभी तो ये इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 25 2 50, 0 5 70, 0 88, 175, 175, 183, 3, 18, 25, 18 is how much? 43, 3 के बाद 43.00, right? Centimeter square. Give me my mobile, please. So how much you get? Huh? Calculation, man. 43.3 minus 24. Okay. So area shaded region is equal to area triangle ABC minus area triangle BDC is equal to 43.3 minus 24 becomes how much? 19.3 centimeter square. You get this? Check the answer. Shaded region is this. We are talking about shaded region is this. This area is shaded region and having an area of 19.3 centimeter square.
19.3 centimeter square.
That we get. This is as per question. What is your question number? 21?
First part.
First part. Okay. You get this? Huh? You get this? Okay. So what next we have?
Second part.
Second part. What is second? Left second you do by your own. What is next question?
Question number 20.
Yes.
An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth.
Can you come to question number 16?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter.
Perimeter
Of an isosceles triangle.
Perimeter of isosceles triangle is
40 centimeter.
40 centimeter.
The base is 2/3 of the sum.
Base is
2/3 of the sum.
2/3 of sum
Of equal sides.
of equal sides,
Find the length of each side.
equal sides हैं.
Find the length of each side.
This is an isosceles triangle, right? This is an isosceles triangle A, B, C, right? It is isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC. This is equal to this, and this is 2/3 of the sum of equal sides. Okay, this is x, and it is 2/3 into 2x, right? So you get perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. So 40 is equal to x plus 4x upon 3, right? So we can write 40 is equal to 2x plus 4x upon 3 whole figure multiplied by 3, you get 120 is equal to 120 into 6x plus 4x. It becomes 120 is equal to 10x. So x is equal to 12 centimeter. So equal sides AB is equal to AC is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter each, and base is equal to 4 upon 3 x, that is 4 upon 3 into 12, right? 4 times 3 becomes 12, it becomes 16 centimeter. So base is of 16 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter. Check the answer.
Base 16 centimeter and other side 12 centimeter.
Get it? Okay, what next?
15.
Now come to 14. Question number 14. What is that?
In triangle ABC,
Question number 14. In triangle
ABC,
ABC,
angle B is equal to 90 degree
angle B is equal to 90 degree,
and AB is equals to
AB is equal to
bracket 2x plus 1,
AB is equal to
bracket 2x plus 1
2x plus 1
centimeter,
centimeter.
BC is equals to
BC is equal to
bracket x plus 1
x plus 1
centimeter.
centimeter.
If the area of angle ABC is
Area triangle ABC.
Triangle ABC
Area triangle ABC is equal to
60 centimeter square,
60 centimeter square.
find the perimeter.
Find perimeter. Fine. So this is a right angle triangle, right? It is a right angle triangle like this. Huh? B is of 90 degree. This is C. AB is 2x plus 1 or BC is x plus 1. Huh? And this we have to find. So we can say area triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into AB into BC, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So area is 60 into 2 is equal to 2x plus 1 bracket x plus 1. So 120 is equal to 2x square plus x plus 2x plus 1, right? So this is how much? 2x square plus 3x minus 119 is equal to 0, right? Is it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
19 divided by 13. $17 divided by 7. How much you get?
1737. So 2 points. So 2 points.
नहीं यार, ये फैक्टर करने हैं ना हमको. This is we are getting correct. यहाँ पे we have 2x square x 2x plus 1, then we get this. Now, oh, 119 into 2. 9 times 2 becomes 18, 1, 3, 2, 238. 238 divided by 2, 1, 1, 9. Now you have, yeah, we get it. 17 times 7. So 7, 1. So it is, we can write here 2x square plus 17 minus 14x minus 119 is equal to 0, right? So yeah, so now we get 2x square plus 17x minus 14x minus 119 is equal to 0. We have taken x as a common, so x 2x plus 17 minus 7 as a common, right? 7 as a common, so we get 2x plus 17 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 17 bracket x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we get x minus 7 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 7, right? So here is 2 into 7 plus 1 becomes 14 plus 1, it becomes 15, or here 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So now by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is 15 square plus 8 square. So 225 plus 64 means 289. So AC square is equal to 289, taking root over both sides. So AC is equal to 17 centimeter, right? So this is of 15 centimeter, this is of 8 centimeter, and this is AC is of 17 centimeter. So you get the sides of triangle. So perimeter of triangle is equal to 17 plus 15 plus 8, ये कितना हुआ? 32 plus 8 becomes 40 centimeter, right? You get this much? You get? What is the perimeter? Yeah.
Forty centimeter.
40 centimeter. You get this? So okay.